Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your payment method. Maybe you just installed Uber and you want to go ahead and make sure that you can pay for the rides. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then towards the middle, underneath Payment Methods, click on Add Payment Method. So this is where you can actually go ahead and connect your credit card, debit card, PayPal, Venmo, bank account, Klarna, and more. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.